Today, the crypto market is in full retreat. Bitcoin is broken below $105,000 and is trading at $102,351. Ethereum has dropped to $2,549. XRP is down to $2.15. Solana is sitting around $148.36. And Cardano has slipped to $652.629. Across the board, it's red. So what's happening? Why the sudden crash after weeks of slow upward movement? First, institutional momentum is fading. While JPMorgan recently made headlines for offering loans backed by Bitcoin ETFs, inflows into these ETFs have cooled down. That's a red flag. Institutions are holding back, and with their capital sidelined, the upward push stalls. ETF buying has dried up just as retail interest is starting to fade. Second, macroeconomic pressure. The US economy is at a tipping point. Jobless claims data is due this week, and many investors are bracing for signs of a slowdown. US stock futures were flat today, and risk assets, especially crypto, are taking the hit. Inflation remains sticky, interest rates are high, and uncertainty is back on the table. Third, whale activity. We just saw a Chainlink whale transfer 403,000 Link to Binance. That's worth millions. Whenever big money moves like this, it sends a wave of fear through the market. Retail investors worry it's the start of a dump, and that fear spreads fast. Let's zoom in on Ethereum. It's stuck under heavy resistance between $2,660 and $2,745. It tried to push through, but failed, and now the momentum's broken. XRP has shown strength, but remains extremely volatile. Solana had a bullish pattern forming earlier in the week, but that's fading too. And Cardano? Volume is down and momentum is weak. It's stuck in a slow bleed. Adding to this storm is the lack of new catalysts. No big ETF approvals. No major exchange wins. Even Bitcoin's halving buzz has cooled off. Without fresh reasons to buy, traders are cashing in short-term profits or sitting on the sidelines. On social media, sentiment is shifting. Just a week ago, crypto Twitter was full of bullish predictions. Now, most are calling for a retest of key support zones. For Bitcoin, that's around $98,000. If we drop below that, the next stop could be $94,000. But here's the twist. Corrections like this are often when the big players accumulate. Institutions love fear. And if history repeats, this might be the setup for a rebound. Not yet, but soon. So what should you do right now? First, don't panic. This is crypto. Crashes are part of the cycle. Second, stay informed. Watch the charts, monitor whale activity, and keep an eye on macro data. Third, remember your plan. If you're here for the long term, these dips are part of the journey. The fear is loud, but smart money is watching closely. Like and subscribe for more daily crypto updates. And, as always, we'll see you at the top.